Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to roll fenders on a car like this. So basically I bought these wheels for my Skyline, but I ended up needing some spacers for them because they were touching, the rim was touching the brake caliper here. So now what happened, my rim sticks out quite a bit and it rubs on the fender over here. So what I'll try is, I bought this fender roller, and I'm gonna try to put it up here and roll this, both all four fenders, front and back. And I read some reviews. There's you can buy these on Amazon or eBay, and don't buy the cheap one. The cheap one is like 40-50 bucks. It's from China, and it's gonna, the threads over here gonna strip super fast, and then it just basically breaks on the first use. Pay a little more. I think I paid about 100 bucks for this, maybe a little more, and then you'll get a quality product. You can use it. That's what I would recommend, and I'll put a link in my description where I bought this and the exact thing for sale. Put this roller on the hub assembly. Just throw like 2 or 3 lug nuts pretty tight, make sure it doesn't move, and then you can use these levers to adjust. Basically you want this red wheel where the fender is. That's, we're gonna push it in from the inside. And the key part about this is you want to really get a heat gun and warm up this paint here from the outside, just to make sure the paint doesn't crack and doesn't break. You want to make a good job about it, do a really nice job. So you can use this lever and the one on the back here to adjust this the way you want it, and this lever as well. So what I'm doing, taking the heat gun, putting it over here, where on the bottom, and I want to get this pretty warm to the touch. That way when I start to roll it, the paint doesn't crack, okay? So once you get it pretty warm, grab this, and you can slowly push it out, roll it back and forth, and you can use this lever to pull it back carefully and slowly. You don't want to crack the fender or bend anything. So you slowly pull it out while you roll this in and out. If it gets kind of tight, just keep doing it. You might have some tabs on the inside, you want to bend those as well. So slowly, just take your time and do it right. If this goes off, get a heat gun and get it warm again. So I finished rolling this fender. I think this is as far as I'm gonna go. I'm not going too crazy. So I got this lip on the inside, pretty squished in there, bent inside. So that's what I was going for, and I hope you can see it from here. But I think I'm good for this one. So just to repeat all the other wheels, fenders that you want to roll, and that's about all. But you know what, since I'm here, I think I'm going to paint the brake calipers as well, like this. Here, so now I'm doing the back, and here is how the lip looks before. It basically just flat, straight down. There's no curve in the back, no, it doesn't bend back. So let's see how we can roll it. So here I just rolled this fender, the back quarter panel, and basically we pushed this lip, inner lip, all the way back inside, almost flat up. Hope you can see it. And we'll try not to crack the paint, of course. And that's all guys, finished. That's how it looks like. I rolled all the fenders, all 4 sides. You can't really tell anything from here, but now that when I drive over bumps and things like that, it shouldn't hopefully rub anymore. And that's all.